Hey my friends! Let's surf on this important topic today. Navigating the rigged market, the impact of HFTs and market makers on liquidity, efficiency, and individual trading strategies. Introduction. High-frequency traders, HFTs, and market makers play a critical role in the financial markets, contributing to liquidity and efficiency while also raising concerns about market distortions, flash crashes, and price manipulation. The debate surrounding the regulation of HFTs and market makers is ongoing, with proponents arguing that they provide essential market services and opponents highlighting the potential negative consequences of their activities. This article explores the positive and negative aspects of HFTs and market makers, as well as strategies that individual traders can employ to navigate a rigged market successfully. The positive impact of HFTs and market makers on liquidity and efficiency. HFTs and market makers contribute to market liquidity by providing a continuous flow of buy and sell orders, allowing other market participants to execute their trades quickly and efficiently. This increased liquidity can lead to tighter bid-ask spreads, lower transaction costs, and more accurate price discovery, all of which benefit individual traders and the market as a whole. Market distortions, flash crashes, and the dark side of price manipulation. Despite their positive contributions to market liquidity and efficiency, HFTs and market makers have also been implicated in market distortions, flash crashes, and price manipulation. 4. Example: HFT's rapid-fire trading strategies can sometimes cause sudden, sharp price fluctuations, as seen in the 2010 flash crash. Additionally, some market participants argue that HFTs and market makers can engage in predatory trading practices, such as front-running or quote stuffing, which can disadvantage individual traders and create an uneven playing field. The debate surrounding the regulation of HFTs and market makers. The potential negative consequences of HFTs and market makers' activities have led to calls for increased regulation and oversight. Regulators and policymakers face the challenge of striking the right balance between ensuring a fair and transparent market environment while preserving the benefits that HFTs and market makers provide in terms of liquidity and efficiency. Some proposed regulatory measures include imposing minimum quote lifetimes, implementing speed limits on trading, and requiring HFTs to act as market makers during periods of high volatility. Strategies for individual traders in a rigged market. In the face of the challenges presented by HFTs and market makers, individual traders can adopt several strategies to improve their chances of success in a rigged market. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about the tactics used by HFTs and market makers and how they can impact your trading decisions. Understand the market structure and stay informed about regulatory developments that may affect your trading strategy. 2. Embrace technology. Utilize trading platforms and tools that offer advanced order types, analytics, and risk management features to help level the playing field against HFTs and market makers. 3. Focus on longer time frames. HFTs and market makers often thrive on short-term price fluctuations. By adopting a longer-term trading perspective, individual traders may be able to avoid some of the pitfalls associated with high-frequency trading. 4. Diversify your trading strategies. Avoid relying solely on one trading strategy or market. Diversifying your approach can help reduce the impact of HFTs and market makers on your trading performance. 5. Be patient and disciplined. In a rigged market, it's crucial to remain patient and disciplined in your trading decisions. Avoid chasing short-term profits at the expense of your long-term trading goals. Conclusion. While HFTs and market makers undoubtedly play a significant role in the financial markets, their activities can present both benefits and challenges for individual traders. By understanding the positive and negative aspects of their impact on liquidity, efficiency, and market distortions, and by adopting appropriate trading strategies. Thriving in a rigged market, recognizing HFT tactics, developing trading techniques, and real-world case studies. Introduction. High-frequency traders, HFTs, and market makers have a significant influence on the financial markets, both positively and negatively. To successfully navigate the challenges they pose, individual traders must recognize the tactics employed by HFTs and market makers, develop trading techniques to mitigate their impact, and learn to turn the rigged market to their advantage. This article explores these aspects, along with real-world case studies that illustrate the concept of order in chaos. Recognizing the tactics employed by HFTs and market makers. HFTs and market makers employ various tactics to profit from the market. Some of these tactics include 1. Front-running. HFTs may use their speed advantage to place orders ahead of large institutional trades, profiting from the price impact caused by these sizable orders. 2. Quote stuffing. HFTs can flood the market with a large number of orders and then quickly cancel them, creating confusion and making it harder for other traders to interpret the market. 3. Layering. Market makers might create an illusion of liquidity by placing multiple orders at different price levels, only to cancel them when the market moves in their favor. Developing trading techniques to mitigate their impact. To counteract the tactics used by HFTs and market makers, individual traders can develop several trading techniques. 1. Use limit orders. Placing limit orders instead of market orders can help traders avoid paying the spread, which may be artificially widened by market makers. 2. Monitor order flow. By analyzing the order flow, traders can identify potential liquidity imbalances or order clusters, which can provide valuable insights into the markets. Direction. 3. Trade during less volatile times. HFTs and market makers often thrive in high volatility environments. Trading during less volatile periods can help reduce their impact on your trades. 4. Employ algorithmic trading strategies. Developing algorithmic trading strategies can help individual traders level the playing field against HFTs and market makers by automating their trades and minimizing the impact of emotions on decision-making. Turning the rigged market to your advantage. By recognizing and understanding the tactics employed by HFTs and market makers, individual traders can turn the rigged market to their advantage. 1. Anticipate their moves. Use your knowledge of HFT and market maker tactics to anticipate their moves and position your trades accordingly. 2. Exploit inefficiencies. Identify and exploit short-term inefficiencies created by HFTs and market makers to enhance your trading profits. 3. Stay agile and adaptive. Continuously learn and adapt your trading strategies to stay ahead of the curve in a constantly evolving market environment. Case studies. Real-world examples of order in chaos. 1. The 2010 flash crash, the rapid decline and subsequent recovery of the stock market in a matter of minutes highlighted the potential impact of HFTs on market stability. By analyzing the events leading up to the crash, traders can learn valuable lessons about the risks and opportunities associated with HFTs and market makers. 2. The rise of IEX, the Investors Exchange, IEX, was established in response to the growing concerns about the impact of HFTs and market makers on market fairness. By studying the founding principles and trading rules of IEX, traders can gain insights into how a more equitable market can be established. 3. Successful individual traders. Numerous individual traders have managed to thrive in a rigged market by understanding and adapting to the tactics employed by HFTs and market makers. Examining their trading strategies and techniques can provide valuable insights for other traders looking to succeed in a challenging market environment. METAquant, the key to unlocking your trading potential? Imagine having a powerful tool that allows you to decipher the hidden patterns and order amidst the chaos of financial markets, enabling you to outsmart HFTs and market makers at their own game. METAquant is that tool, a cutting-edge solution designed to help you master the art of trading in a turbulent environment. By leveraging advanced technologies and sophisticated algorithms, METAquant can 1. Analyze and anticipate the flow of orders, exposing the strategies employed by HFTs and market makers. 2. Identify liquidity imbalances and order clusters, providing valuable insights into market dynamics. 3. Empower you to develop trading techniques that mitigate the impact of market manipulation, turning the rigged market to your advantage. With METAquant, you're no longer a bystander to the chaos. Instead, you become an active participant, equipped with the knowledge and tools to navigate and conquer the turbulent world of trading. Ready to unlock the secrets of order in chaos? Join the ranks of successful traders who've harnessed the power of METAquant to turn chaos into opportunity. It's time to level the playing field, unleash your full trading potential, and dominate the market like never before. With METAquant, the future of trading is in your hands. Are you ready to take control? Get started with METAquant today and transform your trading experience.